Hey everyone, welcome back to Larry Azaria's YouTube channel. Today we're diving to fascinating world of probability.
Welcome to the probability ladder, for a chance to make a calculation. What can I get you?
How about a double shot of understanding probabilities?
Coming right up, so what's the scope? Imagine rolling these dice, each outcome has an equal chance, making it a fair game.
Example: experiment rolling a die. Outcome: any number from 1 to 6. Sample space is a set of all the possible outcomes for a sample. Points, it is denoted by S, while the number of sample space is denoted by NS. The sample space S in rolling a die is S equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then NS is equals to 6.
But what about the coins? Isn't it just head or tails?
Example: experiment tossing the coin. 5 peso coin, number of tossing 2. Outcome: first toss is equals to head and second toss is equals to tail. Sample space: head and tail. Event: getting at least one tail.
Probability. Probability is a measure or estimation of how likely it is that an event will occur. It can be expressed as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. Experiment. Experiment is a process that has a number of distinct possible outcomes in which the result cannot be predicted with certainty.
It can be in the form of making observations or taking measurements. It is also a process of repeating an activity whose outcomes are limited to well-defined choices. Outcome. Outcome is any positive result of an experiment.
True, but there's still a 50-50 chance, making it unpredictable, like life itself. Sometimes, probability can surprise us, like when unexpected events occur, turning the odds on their.
So, it's not just about numbers. It's about embracing the unknown and being ready for anything. Cheers to the embracing life probability where every roll, flip, and choices adds to the adventure.
Here's the rolling dice of destiny and creating our own luck.
And there you have it, the incredible world of probability. Who know probability should be powerful, right? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow mathinic.